Today's snack from Japan is Bourbon's Omochi no Hitotoki Koi Matcha. This is a tasty mochi treat that will bring you the feel of a Kyoto tea house. Bourbon, a well-known Japanese snack maker, just released this as part of their new Spring 2025 lineup. These soft mochi bowls are really soft and chewy and have real Kyoto Uji matcha powder in both the filling and the outer layer, giving you endless matcha flavor in every bite. The matcha flavor is so real. I think I just got enough calm to sit still for 5 whole minutes, or until I grab another one from the pack.